Good with it. Man, happy new year, y'all. This is the first video of 2024. And I just want to say thank y'all for all the love and support that y'all gave me throughout last year and the previous years and all that kinds of stuff, man. Last year was honestly the most challenging year of my life. But we came out on top, we came out golden. But today, we got, oh snap, we got the big pack, man. So I'll be opening this up, show y'all what somebody sent me. This is something new that I'll be doing. The first time I'll be painting something like this, so I'm super excited about it. So let me go ahead and bust this out the wrapper and show y'all what we getting into next. Now this box is huge, so I'm gonna have to open it on the floor, but I'm gonna rap with y'all while I get to opening it. So lately, I say, because the reason I ain't been uploading that much is I got some stuff filmed and everything. I haven't had time to sit down and edit because I've been working on so much other stuff, and then y'all know I got more than one YouTube channel. So the one I got with my brothers, man, that one is doing extremely well. So, and then of course y'all know, since you know one of the members and our brother Andre had passed, so it's been a lot to deal with that, with just, you know, us two and stuff like that, staying consistent. Then, you know, I moved here, and all that kind of stuff. So that channel needed more attention, because I just being honest, you know, with that situation, it was like we got to see that thing through and everything. My channel cool and everything, but like now that channel like a legacy type of deal. So, you know, gotta pump a lot of energy and time into that. So that's what I mainly been doing this month. God, my boy packed this junk up very well. But that's what I've been doing this month. But I am gonna start uploading more, and then I got like new different concepts of videos. God, concepts of videos and stuff like that I'm gonna be doing. So shoot, I feel them, man. If you gonna send something like this, man, you gotta send it the right way. Oh my goodness, he packed this mug up to perfection. But oh, shoot, but yeah, man. So I got a lot of different stuff that I'm gonna be doing this year. I'm excited about it for this channel, and then I'm working on other stuff for my other channel, which is my little sports and stuff like that, the Cadet Way channel. I got stuff coming up with that. Actually, I just don't tell y'all. I'm starting back playing football. Not nothing serious, just a little flag or whatever, just to have a little fun and make some content out of it and see where it go. But hold on, man. I ain't gonna lie, this just making me a little bit tired. I'm talking about my guy wrapped this junk up, man. Shoot, he must really spent that chicken on this mug. I feel it. So I'm getting it together, y'all. Hold on. All right, so we finally got it out of all the packaging, and this is what we gonna be painting next. This is a bear brick, if I'm not mistaken. That what these called? Oh dang, it's on the doggone foot. Y'all can't even see that. Hold on, y'all just take my word for it. A bear brick, yeah. So yeah, that's what this is, man. So this is what we gonna be painting soon, very soon. I'll probably do a whole little video on this one. And the theme is pretty much like my deal, you know, like a bunch of neon colors and different shapes and maybe a little graffiti and all that kind of stuff. So alright, I'm gonna turn up on this one, man. But with that being shown and all that kind of stuff, this ain't gonna no super long drawn out video. Just want to go ahead and post something for this new year. I know I had posted other video from, you know, little working time in December or whatever, whenever that was and whatnot. But man, I appreciate y'all for coming through, come seeing about your dog, you feel me? If you like the video, go ahead and like the video and subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? I got that heat on the way, man. Y'all just be patient. And y'all give me some ideas of what y'all want to see coming up from me this year. I'm gonna dip way more into that fashion lane. I'm telling y'all right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna show y'all how to get drippy. And like, hey, steady hand. I'm getting drippy for the Lord, man. All right, y'all, get up with me.